Create and share high-converting lead magnets in minutes. Say goodbye to the hassle of juggling multiple tools. With LeadCreator, you can generate instant lead magnets, share them effortlessly, and accelerate your list growth all in just a few clicks. Don't let another month go by without boosting your email list. LeadCreator makes it easier than ever to grow your audience and achieve your marketing goals. Here are some of the features that LeadCreator can give you. Create AI templates for instant lead magnet generation. Track conversion and split tests for rapid list growth. Earn commissions by sharing lead magnets. Use unique teaser blurred templates for engagement. One-click trackable links with integrated hosting. Grow your list faster than ever before with ease. One-click AI templates for rapid lead magnet creation. Scarcity. Expiring links to explore list growth with scarcity. Before you had LeadCreator, you'd be spending hours juggling multiple tools to create lead magnets. But after getting LeadCreator, you can create, store, share, and track all your lead magnets from one easy-to-use dashboard. Before you got LeadCreator, you got frustrated with complicated software that takes ages to learn. After you got LeadCreator, now you can create engaging lead magnets in minutes with AI-powered templates. Before you got LeadCreator, you were wasting thousands of dollars on software you rarely use, just in case you need them for lead magnets. But after getting LeadCreator for one simple fee, no hassles, and peace of mind. Before getting LeadCreator, you're missing out on leads due to time-consuming processes. After you got LeadCreator, you've gained thousands of fresh leads due to speed and simplicity and rapid content creation. Before you got LeadCreator, you had to update old lead magnets with one click. You had to organize and store all lead magnets on one dashboard. After you got LeadCreator, you can update old lead magnets with one click. Organize and store all lead magnets on one dashboard. Before you got LeadCreator, you're missing out on thousands of dollars in commissions because no one knows you are using LeadCreator. But after getting LeadCreator, you can earn by sharing lead magnets with integrated powered by branding. Get in on this special and don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime deal today. Click the link below to make sure that you attend the pre-launch webinar scheduled for Monday, November 11th, 2024, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard. Don't miss out on this offer.